Good day everyone, I am Maria Jelica Inusafreyas from BS2M3B, and today I'll be sharing my answers on operation management. So for number one question is what is the role of operation strategy in a tourism and hospitality industry? So operation strategy in hospitality industry is a crucial and dynamic role. So it's helped the hotel company to increase their revenue with a good pricing and nice quality. So operation strategy is like a processing a plan to work out business. So through setting of goals, customer or guest experience may increase. So they perfect experience and expectation. So operation strategy is the one who maintain the right and good quality of the services. No, so it is also one of who promotes and fix minimal problem inside the company. So kung meron mang magkaroon ng problem dun sa isang industry, so nandyan yung talagang management, no, or yung mga yung mga operation strategy ng sa tourism and hospitality industry, no, para ma-resolve talaga yung problem na yun. And effective operations strategy can help the company maintain the quality of their services, profit, and adaptability. So they can also check what process, no, they can do to maintain and regulating a policy to avoid small problems. So lastly is operation strategy contributes to the most in a company for maintaining the high level of satisfaction of the guest or customer. Number two question is what are the operation strategies? So first is cost leadership. So this is a strategy business that helps manage the lower prices, and any company or an industry is trying to get a budget friendly services or goods. So cost leadership, no, is the way for planning and implementing lower prices but in the same quality of services and products. Second is the differentiation strategy. So the role of this one naman is to keep the uniqueness inside the company. So they are the one who work for the quality of services or goods to be more attractive. So from the word uniqueness, no, so it will also providing a creative process to keep the original and singularity of the service and products, and they are the one who's working with an effective and authentic strategies, no. So third is the focus strategy. So this is the crucial part of the three strategies for the company, no. They really need to be flexible to manage this kind of strategies for them to make a unique way of promoting. To some of these three strategies is concerned, no, with how the organization competes in specific marketing, so specific marketplaces, no. And it discusses how to obtain competitive edge, no, and emphasizing value propositions, product differentiation, and target consumers. For chapter 7, so it's quality management and control. So quality service management and control is one of the crucial part in any businesses and industry. So because, no, when we produce a product or any service, no, we always want to give our best or our 100% to para dun sa quality and para masatisfy yung customers and even yung guest natin if services yung provide natin. And so quality management has a standard. So meron siyang standard na kailangan nating sundin, or meron siyang desired level of excellence, no, before we launch our new products or services. So quality management control is necessary, no, to learn to be service-oriented kasi sa kahit anong industry, we always want to meet the goal of a quality service that management is assigned to produce a successful product or service. And for that, pwede tayo mag-create ng mga policy so we can, para mas madali dun sa mga employees natin or even sa atin na mga managers na ma-achieve yung hinahanap natin na goal or yung quality service and management dun sa product or services na i-offer natin. And next is for chapter 8 naman, understanding budget. So a budget offers a resource management road plan. So it helps prevent overspending or financial gaps by establishing spending caps and ensuring that revenues and expenses match. So dito naman, pagka nag-budget tayo, so syempre meron din siyang plan, parang same sa mga quality service, sa kahit anong part pa nung sa business, meron talagang plan. Kasi ito sa understanding budgeting, no, makaka-help talaga to, no, parang hindi tayo makapag-overspending, no, or financial gap. So ibig sabihin, pagka naka-process yung ating mga bayarin, naka-analyze siya, so hindi tayo ma-overspend, hindi tayo makagasta ng mas mahal pa dun sa ating kailangan bayaran. So by monitoring revenue, expenses, and profits, so a budget makes sure that a company complies with financial laws and tax requirements. So yung mga requirements natin sa isang businesses natin is dapat naka-organize din siya kung ano yung mga kailangan natin bayaran. So, by directing resources towards priorities like expansion, innovation, or cost reduction, so, makakatulong talaga dun si budget planning. And next naman is for chapter 9, productivity. So, lower costs and larger margins result from increased productivity, which is the ability to produce more goods or services with the same or fewer resources. So, dito naman sa productivity, so syempre kapag magaling ka, so work harder or work smarter ka, so basically, yung industry na pinapasukan mo or yung business na pinasok mo is hindi siya mahihirapan sa'yo or hindi tayo mahihirapan kasi alam natin yung mga pagmamanage ng mga kinikilos natin or talagang productive tayo everyday para gawin yung work na yun. So, doon, mas mag-boost talaga yung revenue ng isang business or industry kasi productive kang magtrabaho and kaya mo, you work harder and you work smarter. So, syempre, mag-i-increase yung revenue natin. And isa pa sa part ng productivity is effective time and resource management lowers waste and operational inefficiencies which improves profitability. So, yun yung sinabi ko kanina, talagang pag-effective yung time and resource management na gagamitin natin, talagang mag-i-improve siya ng mag-i-increase siya talaga ng ating revenue. So, increased efficiency makes it easier for business to scale since it allows them to satisfy demand without raising cost accordingly. So, ito naman sa efficiency, sinasabi naman dito na yung pagkakapantay-pantay ng mga binabayaran natin. So, kailangan naka-analyze din siya para hindi din siya sumobra. Hindi tayo magkaroon ng mga excess na babayaran pa. And next is for chapter 10, efficiency and effectiveness naman. So, efficiency lowers waste and expenses by ensuring that resources or like the money, time, and materials and labor are used as effectively as feasible. So, ito naman sinasabi natin, mag-i-increase talaga dito yung pagiging pantay natin, no? Dun pa lang sa money, sa time, sa materials, and sa labor natin. Kasi kailangan din to syempre para alam natin kung tama ba yung process na ginagawa natin. Kasi baka mamaya sobra din. Ganon. So, making sure that company operations are in line with strategic goals like breaking into the new markets, raising customer satisfaction, or spurring innovation. So, it's the main focus of effectiveness naman. So, sa effectiveness, no, it guarantees that the company provides the appropriate goods or services to satisfy the demands and expectation of its clients. So, kailangan dito sa effectiveness, ini-ensure natin na nag-give natin yung 100% natin dun sa ating mga clients and na-provide talaga natin yung tamang goods or services na kailangan nila. Ganun. So, while effectiveness without efficiency can result in excessive expenses and resource waste, so efficiency without effectiveness can cause hasty mistakes. So, sinasabi natin, ipag wala talagang efficiency dun sa ginagawa natin, ang mangyayari is magiging sobra yung ginagawa natin or magiging hindi pantay. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pantay sa pagdating sa budget, sa oras, sa production. So, kahit saan pa yun, pag wala talaga efficiency, hindi talaga may 100% na mag-work yung gusto natin or yung gusto ng consumer natin, even tayo. And a company's overall profitability is increased now when efficiency and effectiveness are combined to provide cost-effective operations and significant results. So dito naman, sinasabi na lahat ng profit ng ating company is talagang makakatulong sa efficiency and effectiveness.